how to blur out someone's face like this using the Capcut app on your phone. I'm going to make this one as quick as possible, but it's going to take a minute, so bear with me. The first thing you want to do is select the first clip or the clip you want to blur out. Go to duplicate and duplicate that clip. Now what you're going to do is overlay it and drag across so it's placed right underneath your original clip. This next part is very important, so make sure you're following it carefully. You're going to head on over to Effects, then click Video Effects and type in Blur. Once you select Blur, click on the blur effect and click the 3 lines that show up. Bring the blur to 100%. Now make sure you readjust the blur to your preference. From the options below, select Object and select the Overlay so that the effect is only applied to the overlay. Next, you're going to click on your overlay and head over to Mask. Here, you're going to get a bunch of options, but in my case, I'm going to blur out my face, which means I'm going to select the circle one. You can use the arrows to readjust the mask to only cover the object or the face you're trying to blur out. You'll notice that my blur effect has a bit of a black outline on it. I'm going to get rid of that by once again clicking on the 3 lines, selecting the feather option and increasing it to about 4. Now for some higher level stuff, we're going to add a few keyframes to ensure that the mask moves along with my head. Keyframes can be added by clicking the little diamond button in the middle of the screen to the right. And that's it. Make sure you pause the video if you need to, and watch again if you want to know